What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in this Django and React tutorial series. And today we are going to fill the table with the data we're receiving from the backend. So let's get started with that. And we already have a design for the table, and we also have error and loading here. So we don't want to show this table before anything has been loaded, before the data has been loaded. So let's fix that. So we're going to wrap it up with saying if results.length is greater than 0, meaning it's not empty, then we want to show this table. Okay, and we'll wrap everything around here. So if we go over here and see, the table is not displayed because we don't have anything right now because the server has been loading. And then we are going to map our results into the table rows over here. We're just going to say results.map. We'll say song index and we'll do that, cut it, and just before the body we'll paste it, and let's see if that works. It does work. And let's give it an index over here as a key. We'll say index, first thing, song name. So it's going to be song.name. Next is song.artist. Then we have song.album. Then we have song.release date. And since our themes is a list, let's just do songs.themes.join it with a comma. So let's give it a try. If this works, we'll say Childish Gambino songs. Recommend. And the loading is not working for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, we haven't added the loading yet. Okay. We are getting the response back, but I don't know why it's not displaying the table here. Results.length. Okay, let's set up the loading first. Loading and p class name loading text. We'll say loading recommendations, and if there's any error, we also want to display those errors. We'll say error. I think that should be it. Let's see. Recommend. This is working properly now. It's saying loading recommendations. And for some reason, the table is not displaying. Okay, let's try to debug this. Okay. We have it after the table. And results. Is that it? We have the results. Are we setting the results? We are setting the results. Oh, we need to, I forgot about this. Look here, guys. It is giving us in response. So we have to retrieve the response from the whole JSON object. And we just set it data over here. I think that's the issue here. Now it's going to set the results properly, and we're going to get our results back. Let's get it. Hope it works. Okay, we have an error. It's saying join is not working properly. Okay. We can... What's the issue here? Okay, I don't know how it got session storage. We need themes here. Mac Miller songs, I think they should work now. Let's hope, fingers crossed. There we go, guys. We have a working project that talks with Django on the back end and makes a UI on the front end and uses AI to recommend these songs. And if you have run into any issues, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If not, in the next video, we might work on getting all the history of all the songs that has been recommended. And let me try to get another song. Let's say songs about falling out of love. Let's try to recommend this. Okay, I think it did. No. Okay, this did it right now. It says Everybody Hurts, Unintended, Where's My Mind, Crazy, Book of Love. Okay, this looks good. So yeah, we'll work on getting all the history. And if we look at the back end, we must have these songs. There we go, Everybody Hurts, Where's My Mind, and all that. And the themes, all the themes are here. Links. It is looking good. One more thing that we'll add is the history of all the recommendations that we have up until now. And we might add some other features as well. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.